King Cobra. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world and is found mainly across forests in India and Southeast Asia. Unlike many other snakes, it often feeds on other snakes, including venomous ones. When threatened, it raises part of its body off the ground and spreads its hood, creating one of the most recognizable warning displays in nature. In many cultures, the king cobra has been respected and feared for centuries, especially because of its size and powerful venom. Python. Pythons are large constrictor snakes that kill prey by wrapping tightly around it instead of using venom. They live in Africa, Asia, and Australia, usually near forests, swamps, and rivers. Some species, like the reticulated python, can grow to enormous lengths and are among the biggest snakes on Earth. Pythons swallow prey whole and can survive weeks after a large meal. Their calm movement and impressive size have made them famous in wildlife documentaries and reptile collections around the world. Anaconda. Anacondas are massive water-loving snakes native to South America. The green anaconda is especially known for its heavy body and incredible strength. These snakes spend much of their time in slow-moving rivers and swamps, where their dark green coloring helps them stay hidden. Rather than chasing prey, anacondas usually ambush animals that come too close to the water. Stories about giant anacondas have existed for generations, adding to their mysterious reputation in the Amazon rainforest. Black Mamba. The black mamba is one of Africa's most feared snakes because of its speed and highly dangerous venom. Despite its name, the snake itself is usually gray or olive-colored, while the inside of its mouth is dark black. Black mambas prefer dry regions, rocky hills, and savannas. They are alert, nervous snakes that rely on quick movement to escape danger, though they can become defensive if cornered. Their reputation grew over time due to stories from explorers and the serious effects of untreated bites. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes are venomous snakes, mostly found in North and South America. They are named after the rattles at the ends of their tails, which create a buzzing warning sound when shaken. This warning helps avoid unnecessary fights with larger animals. Rattlesnakes usually hunt rodents and other small creatures, helping control pest populations in deserts, forests, and grasslands. Their heat-sensing ability allows them to locate warm-bodied prey even in darkness. Boa Constrictor. Boa constrictors are large, non-venomous snakes found mainly in Central and South America. They are powerful constrictors with thick, muscular bodies and beautifully patterned skin. Boas often live in forests and spend time both on the ground and in trees. They hunt quietly and rely on patience rather than speed. Because they are generally calmer than many large snakes, boa constrictors became popular in the exotic pet trade, although caring for one properly requires significant space and experience. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a sweet comment below.